Assalamualaikum students, welcome to my YouTube channel Math with Mirza, and in this video we will discuss the concept of multiplying and dividing integer. Very simple and basic concept. I think everyone knows how we can use the concept of multiplication and dividing the integers. Okay, now we will start. Question number 2. The statement of the question number 2 is work out these multiplication. The first part is 5 multiplied by minus 2. 5 multiplied by minus 2. 5 multiplied by minus 2. The answer will be written in the form of plus 10, minus plus, and we have to place a minus sign as well. Keep in mind, just ignore the signs that are given with your integers. Just multiply them without signs, and in the final step, 5 2s are 10. Now plus minus, minus sign. B part is minus 5 multiplied by plus 2 is equals to 5 2s are again 10, minus plus minus. When we have a multiplication sign, minus plus जो है that will be equals to minus minus. And the C part is minus 5 multiplied by minus 2 is equals to 5 2s are again 10, minus and minus will be equals to a plus sign, और by definition जहाँ पे कोई sign ना हो, it means 10 is a positive quantity. And the D part, last part of question number 1 is minus 2 multiplied by minus 5, again same criteria, 2 5s are 10, minus and minus, positive 10 plus 10. Statement of question number 3 is question number 3 is work out these multiplications. Work out these multiplications. The first part is minus 6 minus 4. Minus 6 multiplied by minus 4 is equals to 6 4s are 24, minus minus will be equals to a positive 24. Okay. Now the B part is minus 7 multiplied by minus 7 is equals to 49, minus minus will be equals to plus, and then 10 multiplied by minus 6, minus 10 multiplied by minus 6 is equals to 60, minus minus and plus sign we have to use. Okay, by definition जहाँ पे कोई sign भी ना use हो रहा हो, it means वहाँ पे कौन सी quantity use हो रही है, positive sign. And the last part is minus 8 multiplied by D part, minus 8 multiplied by minus 11, 88, minus minus plus 88 will be the answer. Now the question number 4 is complete the table, multiplication table. A table is given, we have to just complete the table. As you can see, the binary operation, the operation is given in the form of multiplication. यहाँ पे वो आपको plus भी दे सकता है, it means we have to add all the values. If a multiplication sign is given, fix this number. 4 multiplied by minus 5, minus 20, 4 multiplied by 3, 12, 4 multiplied by minus 8, minus 32, minus 3 multiplied by, now it's 3's turn, minus 3 and minus 5, 3 5s are 15, minus minus plus sign we have to use, minus 3 plus 3 multiply minus 9, minus minus plus 3 8s are 24, minus 6 multiplied by minus 5, minus 6 multiplied by minus 5, 6 5s are 30, minus minus plus 6 3s are 18, minus plus minus 8 6s are 48, minus minus plus 48. This is the question number 4, solution of question number 4. Now the statement of question number 5 is work out, 4 parts are given, 2 parts are written. As you can see, we have a bracket function. If the question is given in this form, it means we have to use BODMAS rule. What is the meaning of BODMAS? BODMAS means bracket, any kind of operation is given, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Now you can see the first priority we have to solve the bracket function. 3 plus 5 is equals to 8 multiplied by minus 4 and 8 fours are minus 32 will be the answer. Again, minus 3 plus minus 5 multiplied by minus 6. As you can see, plus and minus two signs are given. First of all, we have to simplify these signs. Minus 3 plus minus 5 multiplied by minus 6. Now the next step is, now we have both the quantities with negative sign. It means we have to use a negative sign and we have to add them. Minus 3 minus 5. Minus 3 minus 5 will be equals to minus 8 multiplied by minus 6, and the final answer, both the quantities again have negative sign, but we have to multiply them. In multiplication, minus and minus will be equals to a positive quantity. 8 6 are 48 of, with positive sign is the required answer. Now, C part of this question is minus 4 multiplied by 5 minus 8. Minus 4 we have to write down as it is. First of all, we have to solve bracket function. Plus 5 minus 8 minus 3 will be the answer. Minus 4 multiplied by minus 3 minus plus 12 will be the final answer. The last part of question number 5 is D part, minus 6 multiplied by minus 2 minus 7. Again, minus 6 we have to write down as it is. Now you can see we have a double sign. Minus 2 as it is, minus plus sign, that will be changed into the plus sign. Plus 7 minus 6 minus 2 plus 7 will be equals to 5, and we have a multiplication sign. 6 5s are minus 30 is the final answer of D part. Statement of the next part, that is question number 6, is round this number to the nearest whole number to estimate the answer. The first question is, what is the meaning of a whole number? Whole mean complete number. In this question, question number 6, round these numbers. Round these numbers to the nearest whole. Nearest whole number to estimate the answer. Okay. First part is 3.9 multiplied by minus 6.8. Now you can see 3.9 is not a whole number, 6.8 is not a whole number, and we have to use the concept of rounding. Rounding, I think everyone knows how we can round a number. If a number is given in the form of 3.6, after rounding the number will be written in the form of 4. If the number is given 3.5, the number will be rounded in the form of 4. Step up कर देंगे उसको. The reason is डेसिमल के बाद वाला पोर्शन अगर 5 हो या 5 से ऊपर हो, greater than 0.5 हो, तो we have to step up. The number will be equals to 4. If the number is given 3.4, step down. Rounding will be written in the form of 3. 3.2. Now you can see the decimal part is less than 5. Step down. 3.7. Now you can see the decimal part is greater than 0.5. It means step up. इसी तरह से माइंड में रख लेना, जब भी डेसिमल के बाद का पार्ट 0.5 हो या ग्रेटर देन 0.5 हो तो स्टेप अप, If the number is decimal part is less than 0.5, we have to use the step down technique. Now you can see 3.9. 0.9 is greater than 5. It means we have to step up the number 4. 6.8. 0.8 is greater than 0.5. It means multiply by -7. The final answer -28. Okay. Now the B part is -11.2 multiply by 2.95. We have to round these numbers. 11.2. 0.2 is less than 0.5. Which type of technique we have to use? We have to use the step down technique. Is equals to -11 multiply by 2.9. अगले नंबर को छोड़ेंगे, इस नंबर को देखें. Which type of technique we have to apply? 0.9 step up 3. The final answer will be written in the form of, after rounding is the required answer. Now the next part is C part. A number is written -6.1 and whole square. First of all, we have to use the concept of rounding. -6.1. 0.1 is less than from 0.5. It means 6 square. We have to use step down technique. Square means we have to write this number 2 times. -6 multiply by -6. The final answer will be written in the form of 36. 6 6 are 36. Minus minus will be equals to a plus sign. And the last part of this question is, D part. -4.88 whole square. The first step is we have to write the number in the form of rounding. As you can see, 4.8. 0.8 is greater than 0.5. We have to use step up technique. -4.8. We have to use the step up technique. Will be written in the form of -5 square. -5 multiply by -5. 25 is the required answer. Now we will start the statement of from question number 7. Put these multiplication into the group based on the answer. We have to make 2 groups. Question number 7. Question number 7. We have to write the question in the form of 2 groups. Put this multiplication into the 2 groups on the base on the answers. Okay. The first part is 3 multiply by -4. 3 multiply by -4. 12 answer. Second one is 6 multiply by -6. -2 प्लस वाला है तो इस तरफ लिख देंगे. -6 multiply by -2. दिस इज़ द ग्रुप 2 विल बी इक्वल्स टू. ये मैं आपको हेडिंग दे के बता देता हूँ. दिस इज़ द आंसर दैट विल बी इक्वल्स टू 12 पॉजिटिव एंड दिस इज़ द आंसर विथ 12 नेगेटिव. नाउ 12 multiply by 1. 12 multiply by 1 positive side. -4 multiply by -3. -4 multiply by -3 again plus 12. 2 multiply by -6 will be written in group A. -12 multiply by -1 will be equals to the 12. Okay, find one more product to put in each of the group. आप दोनों में से देख लें एक एक वैल्यू. जिसका पॉजिटिव आंसर है वो यहाँ पे लिख दीजिए, जिसका नेगेटिव आंसर आ रहा हो वो यहाँ पे लिख दीजिए. कोई सा एक ग्रुप बना लें. मैं इसका ग्रुप बनाने लगा हूँ. -12 मल्टीप्लाई बाय +1 विल बी इक्वल्स टू -12। नाउ यू कैन सी इसके अंदर सब के साथ नेगेटिव लगे हुए हैं, 6 2s आर भी है, और हम पॉजिटिव का 6 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 लिख देते हैं, विल ऑल्सो बी इक्वल्स टू 12 इज़ द रिक्वायर्ड आंसर। थैंक यू सो मच। Inshallah we will start question number 8 in the next video, and if you have any kind of difficulty you can discuss with us through the comment section। तो इंशाल्लाह हम आपके लिए वीडियो ज़रूर अपलोड करेंगे। तब तक के लिए अपना बहुत सा ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।